What is the meaning of differentiation? So in +1 level, you started your life at differentiation, trigonometry, differentiation, everything. Now, what is the meaning of differentiation? Tell me. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the differentiation? Tell me. What is the meaning of the differentiation? Integration, you know, what is the meaning of integration? Differentiation means what? It's actually rate of change. So d by dx, actually we can find acceleration, velocity. So this is a here, whatever may be the function, the with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x, d by dt. This is meaningless. Suppose if we have anything is what this is differentiation with respect to this. But suppose y is equal to f of x. You will study already dy by dx or f dash x, y1 or y dash, lot of notations. Now from this dy by dx means what is the differentiation meaning this? Who is the independent variable? Who is the dependent variable? Can you say? Y is equal to f of x means who is the dependent variable? Who is the independent variable? Can you say? Y is equal to f of x. Who is depends on other fellow? Are you there or not? Speak out, sir. Right
Y
or no?
depends on X, sir.
Hmm?
Y depends on X.
So who is dependent? Who is independent? Who is dependent? Who is independent? See, whether it is right or wrong, just you can speak out, no problem. Y is equal to f of x. Suppose y is equal to x square. From this you can say who is dependent, who is independent.
Sir, Y is dependent.
X is very good, right, sir? Come on, speak
Independent.
out. Independent. Now you can see already in your +2 level, are you studied partial differentiation also? Studied partial differentiation or not? Euler's theorem or Euler's theorem, x into dou u by dou x is equal to y into dou u by dou y is equal to n into u. If u is a homogeneous degree of n, prove that x into dou u by x plus y into dou u by n into u. Studied or not? No, +2 level or intermediate level. Is there or not partial differentiation? Tell me first. Is there or not? Speak out. You should be speak out. I am alone, not hearing. People all are with me. Euler's partial differentiation is studied or not? Tell me. Say yes or no, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then tell me at least what is the difference between Partial differentiation and ordinary differentiation. When you will use partial differentiation, when you will use ordinary differentiation, tell me. Suppose circle is there. Okay, yeah. Area of circle is what? Area of circle is what?
Pi r square.
Very good. A is equal to pi r square. Now you can see if I increase, R means what? My A will increase or not?
Yes, sir.
Going on,
Yes, sir.
going on, I am increasing R. My area will increase or not?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, suppose if you take I am not good at drawing R. Volume of cylinder is what, sir? Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder.
Pi r square h.
Very good. By only one guy only talking. What about other 18 people, 17 people? I don't know. See, offline students also joined or not here? Only online. Offline students also there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you can inform to your schools, because only 1 week you can bear with me, sir. I got operated. I'm not able to move actually. I still don't like discharged. Anyway, I'm taking classes. So 1 week you can bear like this. You can stay at your classroom. Another teacher will come. Just you can attend my classes from there. Okay. Don't miss. 1 week only can bear. I will come there university after 1 week. Again, in same pattern, I will take both classes. Offline and online. Don't worry. 1 week. This week alone you can bear. Next after that I will get used. Okay. So in school, class students, everyone you can ask them to join in our class. Okay. Now, but once if you choose offline means what, you should be inside the classroom. That means compulsory. If you don't come, they will put the option that you can keep in mind. Don't play. So once if you comes to the university campus, be very, very careful in pandemic. See, in outside, 2 hearts all will be waiting for you, mother and father, and the third heart should be teacher. So don't spoil your life actually, pandemic. So very, very carefully, you should be inside the campus. At least next 1 year. Suppose if it is get set right, everything means you can play as well. After set right pandemic, very, very careful, maintain social distance, everything you can maintain. If anything happens, means the whole thing will collapse. Whole university only collapse actually. So keep in mind. So properly you can behave there inside university. Make one circle. Don't cross that circle. Inside circle always. Enjoy. I am not telling you don't enjoy. There should be limit. Okay. Now come on. V is equal to pi r square h. Suppose if I increase R, what will happen in my cylinder? I am increasing R alone. So how I will get my cylinder? Tell me. I am concentrating only R. I am not disturbing H. So volume will change or not?
Yes, sir.
Shape how I will get, tell me. Like this I will get. H should be same. Maybe R will change. Suppose I am not disturbing the R. I am increasing only H. Then what will happen? I will get thin height cylinder. Correct or not? So R I am not touching. But here is what? Actually, ordinary differentiation means what? Only one independent variable. Partial differentiation means what? More than one if the introduced means what you can treat as a partial differentiation. Now here we see partiality. If I concentrate R means what? I don't bother about H. So here R only variable, H is constant. If I constant at h means what? R is treated as a constant. So in ordinary, not like this. I will deal with always one fellow. I will take continuous with that one fellow only. Here not like this. More than one fellow will be with me. So R and H. Suppose if I concentrate H means what? H constant means what? R variable H constant like this. So what is it? If I increase my H means what will it like this? I will get the cylinder. Correct or not? Thin cylinder I will get. But volume will change or not? Guarantee it will change. It should be changes or not? Tell me. Are you there or not? You have to speak out throughout class, then only I can continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is right or wrong? Use some sound actually. Correct? I mean, if I ask me, so just answer.
Correct, sir.
Very good, nice. Now, here you see, I will call it partial differentiation. Here is circle case is what? Order differentiation, only one variable. Now, what I will do, sorry. This ordinary differentiation already you are familiar. Partial differentiation out there will denote it actually dou u by dou x. Suppose u is function of x, y, z. How many variables are there, sir? Here, tell me. U is function of x, y, z. 3. Okay. Now, if it is 3 variables means what? U is what? Who is dependent? Who is independent?
XY is that or independent and US
Why is
is
it? Maybe your classroom next to only echo coming, I think so. Okay, no problem. X, Y, Z are independent. Am I correct or not? U is the what? Dependent. Now, how? See, now if I write dou U by dou X means what? U is the differentiate with respect to X alone. Dou U by dou Y means what? U is the differentiate with respect to Y alone. Remaining two fellows are constants. Dou U by dou Z means what? U differentiate with respect to Z alone. Remaining two fellows are constants. Correct or not? Suppose, small example I will take. U is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Now, dou U by dou X, how can you write? Tell me. What is the dou U by dou X? Online students, you can speak out. At least offline means echo coming. 2x. Because why tell me 2x? At least you can conclusion you can give me. Why you are telling 2x? This fellow constant, this fellow constant. Constant 0, 0. Correct? Dou U by dou y. Dou U by dou y, what you will get?
2y.
2y.
Dou U by dou z.
2z.
2z. Up here clear? Now come on. I will deal another example. Shall I rub? Shall I rub?
Yes, sir.
Suppose u is equal to x square y cube z power 4. Now dou u by dou x is what? Tell me. Dou u by dou x is what? 1 minute. Sir, tell me what is dou u by dou x? The people you should speak out. Dou u by dou x is what?
2xy plus z cube.
2x alone will come or anything will come, tell me.
2x y cube z power 4.
Actually, speaker you can speak out. Actually, switch off. It's continuous classroom. Next to next, don't sit. Actually, at least you can keep some away. For those who's talking, I can on the mic. Actually, otherwise echo will come. Speaker and mic, everyone you can off both of you. That is what those are inside the classroom. There also you should maintain distance because we have very less strength. You can nicely can maintain rooms also very big rooms. You can enjoy each bench one student also can sit. Correct. Now tell me, dou u by dou x is what? 2x. Those who are talking on the mic actually. 2x.
Y cube z
Y
power
cube.
4.
Why it's coming? Previously it's not come. Tell me. Sir, tell me. Previous problem is what? X square plus square z square means just 2x I am telling. Here what I am telling, x cube y cube z power 4 means 2x y cube z power 4. What is the difference between this problem and that problem? See, if you treat here is what? This is the variable means what? Remaining two fellows are constant plus constant plus constant. It's not like this actually here. X square is a variable means what? Remaining two multiples actually. It's like a number. Suppose if you say in ordinary differentiation 10x cube. D by dx of 10x cube means what? Like a 10 how it is, how you will treat or can feel like this. This y cube z power 4 you can feel as a constant, some number. Some big K into this fellow. This fellow alone you can differentiate. Correct or not? Am I telling right or wrong? Am I confusing a lot? Say yes or no? No voice, no sound. What is this? See, with after getting yesterday
No
only
doubt, sir.
discharged from hospital, I am talking with you. At least cooperate with me, speak out. Then only I will be very happy. Okay. Similarly, dou u by dou y is equal to what? This fellow I can treat as a constant. This alone variable. These two fellows are constants. So what will get? 3x square y square z power 4. In one stroke I am writing. 3 I am writing front side. I need always math should be stylish. I want to write. Correct? Huh? Now dou u by dou z is what? Tell me. Dou u by dou z.
4x y cube z cube.
Very good, very good, very good. You people are already in +2, Corona time only completed. Anyway, but good. Okay. Now come on. This is, if you do, this is the differentiation. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y. You already studied order and degree of the differentiation, degree of the differential equation. What is the order of the differentiation? What is the meaning of order? Tell me. What is the order? First order differentiation, second order differentiation, nth order differentiation, 10th order differentiation, 11th order differentiation. Means what is the meaning?
Number of times we differentiate.
Huh?
Number of times we differentiate.
Right. Second order means what? How many times I am differentiating?
2 times.
Forget about this partial differentiation. See, y is equal to x square. Dy by dx is equal to what? 2x. D square y by dx square is what? 2. D cube y by dx cube is equal to what? 0. Okay, yeah? Now, from this what you understand dy by dx, first order differentiation, second order differentiation, third order. So, this is the meaning is what? D square y by dx square means what? 2 times differentiating y is equal to. From here I am differentiating. Right or wrong? Correct? Understand? Now in partial differentiation how you will write? Because there is only single variable I can play nicely. But in partial differentiation, how to write? First order, second order, third order, how to differentiate? Right? See, this how I will do means what? U is equal to x square y cube z power 4. What I am telling? Dou u by dou x, what I said? 2x y cube z power 4. Suppose if I want dou square u by dou x square means what you will do? How you will do?
Differentiate dou u by dou x.
Which will differentiate again? From where you will differentiate?
Dou u by dou x.
Dou u by
So dou u by dou x.
dou x again you can do with respect to x. See, taking this answer, this fellow you can differentiate with respect to x. So what you will get? Tell me. 2
Y cube z4.
Okay, yeah. This is one way. Suppose if I ask dou square u, dou y, dou x. This how you will do. That how you will do, tell me. Tell me. I need dou square u, dou
6y square z4.
What? Tell me.
6y square z4.
How?
I just differentiated that above one with y.
That above one name is what? Who is that fellow?
Dou square
Bapuji
u
or
by dou
Nishant?
x. Dou square u by dou x square.
Hey, no. Wrong, yaar. I thought you were telling correct. No. From here you're coming, huh? How you will come? This already second derivative over. I am telling dou square u, dou y, dou x.
Oh, sorry, sir. I thought that dou x square.
You too, actually. My writing may be bad writing. Now tell me. Dou square u, dou y, dou x. This is what is answer. What you will get?
Dou u by dou y to dou u by dou x.
No. Dou square u, dou y, dou x. Answer is what? From where you will get?
6xy square z power 4.
Wrong. How is y square z power 4? Tell me. Sir, this is what is the meaning means. You have any idea about Urdu? In Urdu, that's what in Quran how they will study, from the last page, from here they will start actually. From back side they will write. So partial differentiation is what related to the Muslims actually. So while doing the partial differentiation, just you can remember Urdu. How you will write dou square u, dou y, dou x means first you can do dou u by dou x. What result you got, that result with respect to y you can do. Got it or not? Reverse you can do. First with respect to x you can do. What result you will get, that you can do with respect to y. Now tell me answer, what is the answer? Dou square u, dou y, dou x. See, first dou square u, dou y, dou x means what? From back side you can come. First you can find dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x available in my hand or not?
Yes, sir.
That fellow you can do with respect to y. What you will get?
6x y square z power 4.
Very good. Nice. Job is over. Taking this fellow, you can do with respect to y. So what you will get? Tell me. This with respect to y means what? 6, this y only variable remaining are constant. 6, 3 into 2, 6 y square z power 4. Suppose if I write like this, dou cube u, dou x, dou y, dou z. Now tell me how you will do. Partial differentiation means like a Muslims, Urdu. So what you will do? First with respect to what you will do, tell me. First with respect to what you will do.
Sir, with respect to Z.
Very good. With respect to z you will do, keep in your hand. Next second derivative, keep in your hand. Next what? Third derivative. Can we do now? First start do. Slowly we do. Because these all are, I'm taking for granted actually. We never do here differentiation everything. The properties of partial differentiation, framing the equations, attacking, how to attacking. After next stage only we are going. So already are in the smaller stage, just we are revising because first class, just refreshing this course. This is everything you have taken for granted. You are reaching to engineer. You are now becoming a great engineer. Means what? In engineering level only we think. These all are we never think. But smaller classes are very, very important. What you studied, basic things are very, very important. If you miss basic things, everything will collapse. Now, okay, come on, this how we will do. Not E, Y. Nobody is telling me, only I am writing. Dou U by dou Z, tell me first. What is dou U by dou Z?
4x square y cube z cube.
Very good. 4x square y cube z power 4. Now what I want to do?
Z cube, sir.
So this how I will write.
Sir.
Dou square
Sorry, that cube, sir.
dou y. Directly don't get what? Acha.
Z cube, sir.
Yes, very good. I am checking how many of you sleeping or not. Thank you. Thanks again. Dou square u, dou y, dou z. See, second derivative. Dou square is 2 times. Here 2 variables. Already z story over. With respect to y. From where I will take? From this fellow I will do. From this fellow I will do. Now, tell me, with respect to y, what I will get y?
Sorry, x squared, y squared, z cube.
Very good. 12 x square y square z cube. Now, only 2 differentiations only I have done. Now I want to go for the third order. Third order means how can you write? Again, what is the meaning? Dou by dou z of this fellow actually. If you speak, if you want to see deeply means what? So I don't want to confuse too much actually. So this become what? Dou cube u, dou x, dou y, dou z. Now with respect to what I want to do, sir? Z over, y over, with respect to who is there? With respect to who is there?
Sir. X.
Very good. With respect to x, you can do what you will get. What you will get? Do.
24x y square z
Very good, very good. 24
x y square z cube.
Y square Z cube.
Very good, nice. So these all are you are familiar, but this is notation. You want this notation. Another notation also there. How to do? Okay, see. Shall I rub off? Clear up to here? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub off?
Yes, sir.
Dou u by dou x means what? With respect to x. This they may write ux. U suffix x. This notation also same. This will also same. U x. U suffix x. Dou u by dou y means how they will write? U y. Don't fix always. They will do u only. Maybe they will do f. They may be p, q, all lines. Okay, whatever may be function with respect to what are the variables. Don't expect always I will play with x, y, z only. Depending on the problem, my variable may be changes. But thing is what? You have to find who is the dependent, who is the independent. Dou u by dou z, how can you write uz? And note down, sir. Dou u by x is ux, dou u by dou y is notations. Dou u by dou is uz, note down. Copied? Copied or not? Shall above?
Yes, sir.
1 week, sir. Maybe teachers will come next 2 classes also. Better you can, if you want, you can attend there. You can, the teacher what they tell you, they also can attend there. No problem. Regular classes. If you want, you can join with me for continuation. Will be. Otherwise, after coming there, I will check. Don't worry. But better this week you can bear with me. I will come here only. From home only I will take. I am at home only. Next only I am reaching the university. Okay, yeah. Now come on. Suppose dou square u dou x dou x square. This how you write. This is the meaning is what? You differentiate x 2 times. Dou u by dou x, you will get one answer. Again with respect to x you can do. So what you will write, that notation, tell me how you will write. U x, don't write x square. Correct? Huh? Dou square u dou y square means what you can write? U y. Dou square u dou z square means what? U z. Dou square u dou x dou y. This how you will write, tell me.
U suffix xy.
Super, excellent. U suffix xy. So don't confuse. You should not write here u square. You should not write x square like this. So z. So this, if you want, come back means what you can write, dou square u dou x dou y like this. This how you write, tell me. Dou cube u, dou x, dou y, dou z, third order. So 3 times I am differentiating. How I will write?
U x y z.
Very good, nice. U suffix. Tell me.
X y z.
That's why he said.
Abba, pain here. Tell me, u. So these notations already you studied in your +2 level. Now actual notations on our BE level forming the PDE means what PQR I will use. That I will tell you. Just you can note down, please. I have another doubt. Suppose 3 variable means what? Can you get up to degree 3? Can I get 4 also? Tell me, is it possible? See, 3 variables are there. You get up to third order differentiation. You can able to go 4th order also. Tell me whether it is possible, or say yes or no. Think and tell me.
Yes, sir.
What yes sir? Is available or now? For what yes?
We can do
We can go. Very good.
for n
Nice.
numbers.
Very good. Nice. Excellent answer. We can go for the not only 4. N times you can differentiate it. Suppose x power 4 means what? I can go up to 4. 5th differentiation may be 0. Correct or not? With respect to x if you do. But partially if the variable means what? N times. That is very, very important. Don't screw this. Okay, 3 variables so easily. Talking I is given only for 3 times only for suffix like this. Don't feel. Once if I tell something means what, something you can develop yourself. Then only the maths will be easy. Next. Very, very important notations. These all are already studied in your +2 level. Now, normally they will denote it dou z by dou x equal to P. This you can write Zx also, universal notation. This you can remember also P also. Z is equal to f of x y means what, dou z by dou x equal to P. This is very, very important note down, sir. Q. R. Dou z by dou x they call P. Dou z by dou y we will call Q. Normal notation is what? Zx, Zy, Zxx, Zxy, Zyy. P, Q, R, S, T. Already you are in which semester? First semester. Sorry, this is what? Third semester. Which semester you have studied maxima, minima? Are you studied anywhere maxima, minima? Maxima, minima studied or not? Function of several variables, maxima, minima. Taylor's series, Taylor's expansion. Which semester you have studied? Are you hearing me or not? Are you there or not? Hello? You studied maxima, minima or not? Hello? There one condition you have studied, remember or not, I don't know. If RT minus S square is greater than 0 is equal to, the function attains either maxima or minimum. If R is greater than 0, function is minimum. R greater than, less than 0, function that is less means maximum. Correct or not? RT minus S square is equal to 0 means what? Is called saddle points, neither maxima nor minimum. R is less than 0 means what? We can go further. You studied or not? Remember or not? First semester studied or not, sir? Hello? Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
First semester maximum minimum studied or not? RT minus S square greater than 0 means function attains maximum minimum extreme points. You got it or not?
Yes, sir.
There you are not studied RT S square like this notation. Dou square z into dou x square into dou square z dou y square minus dou square z dou x dou y whole square. RT S square they said or not? Okay, don't worry. And so by this I will wind up. Give the attendance. Number 1.
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4, 5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10.
9 present, sir.
9 is there.
Yes, sir.
See, my camera is there, my desktop is there. I'm not able to see you. Speak out. 9 is there.
Yes, sir.
10. 10 is there. 11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 1, 3.
Left correct.
13, 14 are not there, sir.
Acha, thank you. 15,
Present, sir.
13, 14 not in register rolled, actually. 18 members. Where I am standing? 15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
I think it's up to 20 only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So next class also better you can join. If you are in class inside classroom also, join through GCR. Teacher will come, don't worry. But you can come through, we miss what come to miss, you can have this class also. Correct? Because without disturbance, you can continually will come there actually. Only 1 week only. After that, I will come to the university campus. From there, I will take online, offline in same mode. Camera will be focused on board. The students will be attend from the board their classes. Then the online students will be attending through camera. Both are same only. Class is same pattern only where I am. But thing is what this 1 week I am away from the university. This 1 week I can bear. Okay, sir. Okay, bye. Thank you. Be careful. Those who are inside the campus, again I am telling. Don't play as you like. Again and again I am telling. Keep in mind and every step you can take inside the campus. Because 1 year I am at home, I become very free like this. Don't play. I have come here. Just you can think about your parents and everything. Very carefully you can stay inside. Up to this pandemic is very dangerous situation. Stay away, then keep sanitizing everything, hands always you can wash out. Then mask you can wear. Without mask, just don't roam evening times and there and there. Are you able to hearing me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Those inside campus again and again I am telling. So very carefully you can stay. Once if everything okay means we can enjoy. Lot of life, the life is there, lot of time is there. So don't spoil the life. Again and again I'm insisting. I don't want to go very deeply also. You people are not kids. So 2 years we are at home. We want to enjoy life. Don't feel. Keep away from everything. Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Next class we meet. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So absents are 4 and 10.